The Zinghoppers. I love to walk, yes I do. Walking is fun and it's good for you. I was just thinking about walks. They are so much fun. Every day I go for a walk, I see something new. You like going for walks? Oh, that's good. Walks are so much fun. The other day I actually went for a walk and I was so surprised because there were a whole group of people fixing the road. That's right, the road was broken, so there were construction workers working as a team, working really hard to fix the road. Well, you can see it right there in the window. Maybe I can show you some more. Should we go visit with the construction workers and see what kind of job they're doing? They work so hard to keep the roads nice and safe. Let's take a look. So this is kind of neat. This is what the street looks like when it's getting fixed. Look at all that dirt. That's what's underneath the ground. There's a lot of people working together to try to fix the street. They have this big machine that helps them lift heavy things, and they have to work together as a team to lower that into the ground. They're working hard together. Look at that. They're staying safe because they're wearing those helmets, those construction worker helmets, safety helmet. And the machine helps them lift things that are really heavy. Wouldn't that be fun to try driving in that or sitting in that? Now this orange fencing, that means it's not safe and you should be very cautious. And if you ever see one of those signs right there with the orange and the light on top, it means the same thing. That sign says detour, and it means that cars have to go a different way. That sign says sidewalk closed. That means we can't walk on the sidewalk there because it's closed. It's not safe to walk on. Now here's something fun. This person is using a really big machine to help move some of the old street so they can put down new street. I bet that's really helpful to lift really, really heavy things. Look at how heavy that must be. But the machine makes it so easy. Just kind of scoop it up and they can just move it really easy. Wouldn't that be fun to try? That's a helpful machine. Oh, there goes another one. Look at that. That's how they move old parts of the street that need fixing. Isn't that neat? I could watch that for hours. And this is my favorite machine. They're putting in the new street. It's a cement mixing machine. Look, the cement goes down that and into the street. And these people have to work really fast so they don't get caught in the cement. That's wet cement. It's going to dry. So they work together as a team, pushing all the wet cement down so eventually cars can drive on it. And these people, well, they straighten the cement. They flatten it out so it looks like a street. Do you see that? Isn't that a neat machine? I think it'd be really fun to try pressing down the cement with that machine and making it nice and smooth. And this person is doing just that. He has a special tool that helps him get the street even smoother. Look at how nice that looks. That's the new street. Once it's all dry, cars can drive on it. It'll be smooth and nice. Doesn't that look good? Here it is, all dried up. Good as new. What a nice looking street. What a neat thing to see. I've never seen a road getting fixed before, so that was a lot of fun. Did you have fun today? Oh, good. Hey, what was your very, very favorite truck we saw? Oh, I think I like that one too. I think that might be my favorite. Well, hey, thank you so much for visiting with me today. I'll see you again real soon, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.
The Zinghoppers.